in a creative rut. We've all been there. Feels a lot like walking in circles. You're moving but going nowhere. You try to force the ideas, but they don't come. Every effort feels like it falls short, and the joy that once fueled your creativity fades into pressure and self-doubt. It's even harder when you start comparing your work to others. Their work seems effortless, inspired, and consistent, while yours feels stuck in the mud. You begin to wonder if you lost your spark. But that's why it's important not to forget why you started this. Because you love capturing life. Whether you're filming an extravagant vacation or something as simple as a hike, you love capturing moments. But sometimes we get stuck in worrying about the best cameras, the best lenses, what our favorite creators are doing, or if our video will even get any likes. But none of that really matters. Too often we let excuses hold us back from creating what we truly love. So here's a message to all my fellow creators. Get out there, see new things, and get inspired again.